What's good guys, it's Cam here from Neighbourhood and welcome back for our August HubSpot update. We've got a bunch of exciting updates for you this month as HubSpot continues to elevate its platform to ensure that you better can market, sell to and service your people throughout 2022. Rolling into recent Neighbourhood and HubSpot news, we just hosted ex-Google sales whiz and CEO of German-based leading digital consultancy firm Chris Mickus, where we covered how you can implement sales automation guaranteed to save you time and headaches, whilst taking your conversion game to the next level. It was great to see so many of you turn up and gain some value from this hug. We've got another in the pipeline, so stay tuned. If you missed out, we'll include a video of this in the link below. With some more exciting HubSpot news though, here at Neighbourhood, we've just rolled out our new Practical HubSpot series, where Neighbourhood covers, step by step, marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. If you're keen to get around this, make sure you check the link below. You can start right now. Jumping into the public beta first, a new action may soon be up for grabs with the ability to delete contacts as an automated feature. Why does this matter? Well, you can now create a workflow that enrolls inactive contacts that automatically deletes them from your CRM, saving you the manual labor. Next in public beta is Apex hosting, which will be supported by all tiers. Previously, publishing and hosting content on Apex domains was just supported on CMS Enterprise tier. Now, HubSpot are making it host ready for all tiers, including CMS Hub and CMS Free, HubSpot's recent addition. This change means you'll be able to take the same steps to connect a custom subdomain, but using Apex domains instead. Pushing on, HubSpot are launching a new metric called Adjusted Open Rates, or AOR. AOR is a version of the existing open rate that reports on the percentage of reliable or human opens within the population of emails that discount emails with events associated with Apple devices, otherwise known as unreliable opens. It's a lot to unwrap, but the way to think about it is that HubSpot critiques open rates from Apple devices just a little bit harder. It's worth asking, why is there a need for AOR? Well, with the inception of iOS 15 privacy changes, open rates have become extremely convoluted, affecting a marketer's ability to measure email engagement accurately. The new privacy changes make it difficult to infer whether an open event from an Apple device was carried out by a bot or a human. Next cab off the rank is greater customizability within CRM record pages. Users may soon have the ability to customize the right sidebar of the CRM record pages to show or hide information that's most relevant to your teams, delivering the right content exactly when your people need it most. This feature is up for grabs for all professional and enterprise users. Now for what's live and kicking in August's HubSpot update, HubSpot's Google Analytics integration will now accept Google Analytics 4 IDs. You'll be able to spot these by the G prefix before a string of numbers. HubSpot have noted, however, they don't plan on supporting both a GA3 and a GA4 integration, with Google's plans to shift away from GA4's predecessor. Next that's live is HubSpot's custom mode that empowers the format data action with greater flexibility by unlocking a formula creator that enables users to write personalized bespoke formatting actions in HubSpot workflows. So what does this feature entail? With the formula creator, you can run formatting functions on multiple values all at once, or write formulas using a combination of functions in just one step. As a heads up, this is only available for Ops Pro and Enterprise. Also live for HubSpot's push to cater more for e-commerce stores is customers will have the option to dynamically pull products into their marketing emails via the product module. The introduction of 4 new predefined filters give marketers a simple way to show the products that matter most to their prospects and customers. Just announces the opportunity to use Facebook's Conversions API alongside the Facebook Pixel for page views. This better controls data sent to Facebook while retargeting anonymous visitors when cookies are deprecated. But why does this matter? As we progress more into Facebook's privacy-centric solution for a post-cookie world, integrating the Facebook Conversions API alongside the Pixel, your users' data will be more secure, as well as delivering a higher ROI for your Facebook ads in the future. Finally, in our live updates, HubSpot have extended their customizability capabilities with the option to alter the navigation menu inside your customer's portal. CMS and Marketing Hub customers can select an existing navigation menu used elsewhere on their HubSpot hosted website. Customizing the menu items here will update the navigation across all customer portal pages. And that's it for this month. I hope you enjoyed these updates and are as keen as we are to start implementing them today. If you need someone to tell you where your current usage in HubSpot is letting you down, what you could optimize and clean up, or what you're not using to its maximum potential, sign up for a free portal audit today. We've pushed out a bunch of audits recently for companies in a variety of different industries, using HubSpot to varying levels. But for now, that's all from me. Happy HubSpotting.